In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect a one-stop systems expansion enclosure to an upstream host device using the 3U SDS system as the host and the 4U Pro expansion enclosure as the expansion system. To connect the host to the expansion system, you will need two one-stop systems adapter boards, one configured in upstream mode and the other configured in downstream mode. The cards can be configured in either upstream mode or downstream mode by setting the dip switches on the cards. To install the upstream card into the host, first remove the top cover.
This is the upstream dip switch configuration.
Once the top cover is removed, install the upstream card into the host system in an open PCI Express slot. Once the card is installed, connect both PCI Express cables to the upstream card. On the expansion enclosure, remove the top cover. The target card should be pre-installed in the system with the correct dip switch settings.
This is the downstream dip switch configuration.
Connect the downstream end of the cables to the target card in the expansion system. Next, install your endpoint devices, such as GPUs, in any slot of the expansion device. Secure the add-in card in place by using fasteners provided on the mounting card bracket.
Connect auxiliary power cables from the expansion chassis power backplane to the endpoint devices as needed.
The OSS expansion system has several auxiliary power ports available. Next, plug in power to both the expansion system and the host system, starting with the expansion system. You will hear the fans power up as the system initializes. Next, connect your host system to power as well. As the system initializes, you'll notice the fan speeds decrease as the system control takes over. Next, connect all of your I/O devices, such as mouse, keyboard, monitor, and Ethernet as needed. Then, press the power button on the front of the system to turn the host system on. If the host system has properly initialized the downstream devices, both the host and target cards will display the link status LED as solid green. The final step is to verify and check the hardware by running a simple command on Linux terminal window. The output from the command shows that the GPUs are detected and enumerated. The system is now ready for operation.
Thank you for watching.